magnetic induction problems. Look here now. In the given, look here now. What is the Faraday's second law? Induced EMF developed in the coil equal to rate of change of flux. What is the formula for induced EMF? Minus d phi by dt. Okay. What is the flux formula? Flux formula is B bar dot A bar over B A N cos theta. Here theta is angle between B and A. In the chapter, area is a vector. This is given surface ki perpendicular. Area is a vector. It is always perpendicular to given surface. Once again I repeat. What is the formula for induced EMF? Minus d phi by dt. What is the formula for magnetic flux? B bar dot A bar over B A N cos theta. Here theta is angle between B and A. Okay, Nana? Next one. What is the induced current formula? According to Ohm's law, V and A IR Nana. Here R other side Nana 1 by R d phi by dt. This is the formula for induced current. Okay. Next Nana, formula for induced charge. Look here. I write as dq by dt. dt cancel. Induced charge formula is 1 by r into d phi. Here minus, here minus. These three formulas are most important. Solve the problems. What is the first formula for induced EMF? Minus d phi by dt. What is the second formula for induced current? 1 by r into d phi by dt. What is the third formula for induced charge? 1 by r into d phi. Question number 1. In the question number 1, number of turns is 100 turns. 100 turns are there. Here, area is given. Area of the coil is given 5 centimeter square. Here, 5 into centimeter square means 10 power minus 4 meter square. Number of turns is given. Area of the coil is given. Here, magnetic field induction is 0.5 Tesla. Sorry, 0.2 Tesla. Here, magnetic field and area, the angle between B and A is given 60 degrees. Find the flux linked in the coil. Find the magnetic flux linked in the coil. Here theta is angle between B and A. According to this concept, flux formula is B A N cos theta. Here B value, here A value, here N value and theta value substitute to determine the flux. What is the SI unit of flux? Weber. Next one. Problem number 2 now. Look here. Very important Nana here. This problem is here B bar is given. B bar is given 40 I cap minus 18 K cap. Okay, into gas. Gas means 10 power minus 4 Tesla. Okay, this is the B bar. Here area bar. Area is a vector. A bar is 5 centimeter square, simply 10 power minus 4 meter square. Okay, this area is in xy plane. Okay, area is in xy plane. Its meaning is here area dana 5 into 10 power minus 4 is in the xy plane. Area direction always perpendicular to given plane. Simply xy perpendicular is z axis. Simply 5 into 10 power minus 4, z axis unit vector is k cap. Once again I repeat, xy plane perpendicular is z axis unit vector is k cap. I understood this again. The given plane is xy plane. Area direction always perpendicular to given surface. B bar is there, A bar is there. Finally we get flux is B bar dot A bar. Okay? In the dot product, I dot I 1, J dot J 1, K dot K 1, I dot J 0, J dot K 0, K dot I 0. So that's why here write here none. Here this is K only multiply, remaining will be 0 in the dot product. Here minus 18 into 10 power 4 minus 4. Here 5 into 10 power minus 4. It neatly write as minus 900 10 power minus 9 Weber. 10 power minus 9 write as nano Weber. Look here. The field is given 2 into 10 power minus 2 Tesla. Here area of the coil is 100 centimeter square means 10 power minus 4 meter square. Number of turns is 50. Here induced EMF is 0.1 volts. When it is removed from the field, initially on the coil magnetic field act. After some time magnetic field is removed. Find this time. Okay, dt value is how much? Keyword in the problem, EMF developed. According to Faraday's second law, induced EMF formula minus d phi by dt. Here d phi write as change in flux. Final flux minus initial flux. Okay? Once again I repeat, change in flux write as my final flux minus initial flux. Finally magnetic field is removed, that means B is 0. Here magnetic field removed, flux also removed, that means flux is 0. Minus of minus plus. Simply 5 by dt. Here flux formula is BAN cos theta whole by dt. Left side E induce. Okay. All values are given. Here theta is also given. Once again I repeat. This is the surface. Field is here. Field acting perpendicular to surface. And again this is the surface. Area also perpendicular to surface. Simply according to this concept, B and A both are parallel. Theta is angle between B and A. Simply B and A parallel, theta value is 0. Once again I repeat, this is the surface. Area is perpendicular to given surface. Field is also perpendicular to given surface. Field is given, but area always perpendicular to surface. Simply B and A both are in parallel. Theta value 0. Here all values substitute. Find time. Given magnetic flux denoted by 500 micro 10 power minus 6 Weber. Here number of turns also given 200 turns. Here flux is reversed in a time. Flux is reversed in a time. Time is given 20 into 10 power minus 3 seconds. Find induced EMF in the coil. What is the induced EMF formula in the chapter? Faraday's second law, induced EMF is d phi by dt. Okay? In the situation, d phi write as final flux minus initial flux whole by dt. According to this situation, induced EMF equal to here minus initial flux is given phi. Final flux is reverse. Simply write as initial flux phi. Final flux is phi 1 is phi, phi 2 is minus phi, because here flux is reverse keyword. Here all by dt. Look here. E induced equal to minus phi minus 2 pi minus of minus plus 2 phi whole by dt. This is 1 turn and have coil have n turns kabatti into n. Here all values substitute. For example 2, phi value is 500 into 10 power minus 6. Number of turns is 200. Time is given 20 into 10 power minus 3. 20 how many times? 10 times. It will be calculated. Finally we get the answer. Flux is given 5t square plus 3t plus 60. After 4 seconds, find induced EMF in the coil. Flux is given, T is given to determine induced EMF in the coil. We know according to Faraday's second law, induced EMF equal to minus d phi by dt. Okay, look here now. Minus d phi by dt. Here minus d by dt of phi is 5t square plus 3t plus 16. Okay? Right side, look here. We know that directly t square differentiation 2t here plus t ki differentiation 1, 60 constant differentiation 0. Directly write because you are a MPC student. 5 into 2 10t plus 3. But t value is given 4 seconds. 10 into 4 plus 3. Here minus 10 into 4 40 plus 3 minus 43. This is the induced EMF value. EMF is nothing but the potential. The unit of potential is volt. Coil of number of turns is 20. Area of the cross section is 25 into 10 power minus 4 meter square. Here resistance is given 100 ohm. Here magnetic field is perpendicular to plane of the coil. Actually this is the plane of the coil. Magnetic field is perpendicular. Area also given surface perpendicular. Here A and B both are in parallel. Simply B is perpendicular to plane of the coil. Automatically area direction also perpendicular to plane of the coil. B and A both are in parallel. What is the theta value? 0. B is given. Area not given, but area direction eppudu given surface ki ela untadi perpendicular. Here B and A both are in parallel. Theta becomes 0. In the situation, the question is here dB by dt also given 1000. dB by dt is given 1000. In the situation, find induced current. In the introduction, I discussed direct formula for induced current. Induced current equal to 1 by R into d phi by dt. This is the formula. Right side 1 by R d by dt of phi. Phi means B A N cos theta. In the situation, constant right as outside. Here A is constant, N is constant, cos theta constant. Remaining right as dB by dt. All values substitute to determine the induced current. Now, total resistance. Coil resistance 40 and it is connected to the ammeter. Ammeter also connected in series combination. That's why total resistance is 160 plus 40, 200 ohms. And number of turns is given 100, 100, and radius of the circular coil is given 6 milli means 10 power minus 3 meter. And again charge is 32 micro means 10 power minus 6 coulomb. Okay, here also coil is placed perpendicular to magnetic field. Simply magnetic field is perpendicular to coil. Area also perpendicular to coil. Simply theta value 0. Okay, magnetic field perpendicular to coil means not 90 because area also perpendicular. Theta is angle between B and A. Both are parallel. Theta value 0. Keyword in the problem, induced charge. Induced charge formula is 1 by R into d phi. 1 by R into d phi. Okay, Nana? Here, this coil initially in the magnetic field. After some time, this coil is removed from the magnetic field. That's why here 1 by R, okay. Here minus also, remember, minus change in flux right as final flux minus initial flux. Here, look here, Nana. Induced charge equal to minus 1 by R. Final flux is 0 minus initial flux is 5. Minus of minus plus 5 by R. This is the formula for induced charge. This is the formula for induced charge. Here 1 by R. R is nothing but the resistance. Flux formula is B A N cos theta. All values substitute here to determine the magnetic field induction. 10. Keyword in the problem, AC generator. This is completed in the next week syllabus now. AC generator. AC generator can see maximum EMF developed in the coil formula is BAN omega. Once again I repeat. Keyword in the problem, AC generator. What is the formula for maximum EMF developed in the coil? BAN omega. Okay. Here omega means B. Okay. A means area of the coil. Number of turns. Omega formula 2 pi f. Here all values substitute none. This concept is explained in the next week, Nana. Please remember in the formula. Okay? Look here. The question number 11, Nana. Last question, Nana. The question number 11. Look here. The question number 11, Nana. Question number 11. Here, Nana. Question number 11. Look here, Nana. A square loop of side a circular coil area is 8 meters square. Number of turns is 20. Here find induced EMF. Look here, Nana. Induced EMF formula is minus d by dt of phi. What is the formula for phi? B, A, N, cos theta. According to this situation, theta constant, n constant, a constant, b constant. Simply, flux also constant. Once again I repeat, here flux is constant. Once again I repeat, here flux is constant. Because according to question, all constant automatically flux constant. Any constant we apply differentiation in the mathematics, it becomes 0. Simply here EMF developed in the coil is 0. This is the conceptual question. Given square loop means area of the loop is side square. Side is given 10 centimeter, 10 into 10 power minus 2 meter. It neatly write as 10 power minus 2. Area is given. Resistance of the coil is given 0.5 ohms. This coil is in east-west plane. East-west plane. Okay? Plane of the coil is east-west. Here magnetic field is 0.1. Is acting north-east direction. Once again I repeat, this is east, west, north, south. This is the map on the board. According to situation, magnetic field direction north-east. This is the direction of magnetic field. Here the plane is east-west. Direction of area is given surface ఎలా ఉండాలి? Perpendicular. Simply the plane is east-west. Area is acts on the north. Here B and A angle is in the chapter theta. B and A is automatically 45. Simply theta value is 45. Here the question is, finally magnetic field is 0. After some time, the time is also given 0.7 seconds. Here find induced current. What is the induced current formula? 1 by R into d phi by dt. Here one flux is 0. d phi means phi 2 minus phi 1. Here one flux is 0 because finally the magnetic field is removed. Flux is 0. This is the formula. 1 by R. Phi formula is BAN cos theta whole by dt. All values substitute to get the answer.